So, as usual, we are talking about innovation in Accra, and it's always a pleasure to come to my old stomping grounds in Medina. We used to call this place Dina, that's it. And social welfare is, part of the circuit where some time ago there was really nothing going on here apart from the social welfare itself. But it always triggers the mindset of what do we do about the urban sprawl in Ghana? The fact that as we speak today, these are more populated parts of Accra than even Asylum Down or the parts that were central. You go to Osu Oxford Street in the night and it's not as busy as when you come to Nana Krom, which is further up from here. But as you go towards Nana Krom and beyond, you actually find that even social welfare and so on are not as populated anymore. So the urban sprawl is actually accounting for a lot of the traffic congestion and so on and so forth. And the modeling of these things is something that must not elude us as engineers. It is important that we look to the same models of management information systems that are automated, financial management that are automated, HR management, operations management, and so on, and apply them to these huge data sets that allow millions of vehicles to go back and forth every day. And as a result of that, get more precisely engineered roads that anticipate the bottlenecks and put interventions in place as such. This idea of just building corridors and not overlaying that on the settlements properly is leading to a lot of shooting from the hip, which is not overlaying properly with our macroeconomic constraints. So management information systems and artificial intelligence sounds sometimes like a hobby that some of us have just taken up. But as you go along and you get to random locations, you begin to see that these interventions are necessary for the development of our society. So today this one is a random shot on the urban sprawl, and we will post it alongside a few other shots on the location that we are at.